Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to verify your Bigo Live account. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Bigo Live app on your mobile device. Click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the person icon found at the top right corner of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the edit profile icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the real person authentication. Click on activate authentication. So right here, all you have to do is to make sure you are in a lighted room and obey some instruction. You can see I failed this one because I didn't obey instruction. So just make sure in a lighted room, okay, and obey instructions. So please slowly turn your head. You can see, so I've successfully complete my authentication. Now I can start my avatar authentication. Just click on start authentication. So it's processing. It takes some time for my Bigo account to be reviewed. Let's see. So guys, it's successfully completed avatar authentication. So guys, I've been able to verify my Bigo Live account. I've successfully complete my avatar authentication and also complete my face authentication. So guys, that is it on how to verify your Bigo Live account. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe.